Hey, Cody and the YellowLite team. I just wanted to take a moment to express my utmost appreciation for the exceptional service I receive from YellowLite. As someone who is passionate about saving money and going green, getting solar panels for my home was a no-brainer. However, the entire process was made even more enjoyable thanks to the outstanding customer service I received from Cody and the on-site team. From the initial consultation to the installation, every step of the way was handled with the utmost professionalism and efficiency. Cody, you were always there to answer numerous questions and provide me with the necessary information. Your patience and knowledge made me feel confident in my decision. The on-site team was equally impressive. They were punctual, polite, and went above and beyond to ensure that everything was installed perfectly. I truly appreciate their attention to detail and the care they took in completing the installation. I am thrilled with my new solar panels and the positive impact that they have on both my finances and the environment. Thanks to YellowLite, I'm now able to save money on my energy bills while reducing my carbon footprint. It's a win-win situation. I cannot recommend YellowLite enough to anyone considering solar panels. The exceptional service and quality products truly set you apart from the competition. Rest assured, I will be singing your praises and recommending YellowLite to all my friends and family. Once again, thank you for everything. Keep up the fantastic work.